So today we're going to discuss term deposits. So what is a term deposit? Term deposit is a deposit which is done by the customer for a predetermined fixed period. It is a very safe type of investment and is popular among low risk investors. So there are two types of term deposits, namely fixed deposits and recurring deposits. Below is the conversation between Jeet and Raj, two friends.
Hi Raj, good morning. How are you?
Hello Jeet, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm okay. I was thinking about something last night and I think you are the right person who can help me.
Sure Jeet, tell me what happened.
Over the past 5 years, I've saved rupees 1,50,000 and I have kept this in my bank account. I wanted to know if there is a way to get better returns than just keeping it in my bank account.
Sure, Jeet. Why don't you try investing the amount you have saved in your own business and expand it further?
I'm not very confident about investing all my savings into the business as there is a lot of risk involved. Please suggest me a safer method of investing the money that would give me better returns than a bank account.
In this case, your ideal investment should be fixed deposits.
I have heard about fixed deposits, but I don't know how to go about it. Can you please help me?
Sure, Jeet. All banks offer fixed deposit schemes with a wide range of tenure for periods from 7 days to 10 years. The term fixed deposits denotes the period of maturity or tenure. Therefore, the depositors are supposed to continue for such period of fixed deposit for the length of time for which the depositor decides to keep the money with the bank. However, in case of need, the depositor can ask for closing the fixed deposit prematurely by paying a penalty, usually 1%, but some banks either charge less or no penalty. The rate of interest for fixed deposit differs from bank to bank.
So, how is it better than keeping my money in my bank account?
The interest you will earn on a fixed deposit is much higher when compared to a bank account. The banks give you different interest rate depending on the period of deposit. However, most banks have also facility to pay or credit interest in your savings account at the end of every quarter. If one desires to get interest paid every month, then the interest paid will be a marginal discounted rate. In the changed computerized environment, now the interest payable on fixed deposit can also be easily transferred on due dates to savings bank or current account of the customer.
How exactly do I invest in fixed deposit with the bank?
Any person with a savings bank account can apply for making a fixed deposit by either online portal of the bank if internet banking is available or by applying for it in the nearest branch of the bank.
Can you give me an example?
In order to open a SBI fixed deposit, you can straightly go to the nearest SBI branch. Now you can approach any of the bankers in the inquiry section and collect the application form to open your fixed deposit account. Now fill the application form and deposit the money to activate the account. Within 7 days of time, your fixed deposit account will be activated. In case you want to subscribe it online, you need to open or have a SBI savings bank account. Also, you need internet banking facility to be activated. After that, you can log into onlinesbi.com and click on the personal banking link. Enter login credentials. Now you'll get a link called fixed deposit. Just by clicking on this link, you can get redirected to a new page. Now you will be asked to enter your account number, via which fixed deposit money will be deducted. Hence, within a day of time, your fixed deposit account will get activated.
Thanks a lot, Raj. I will go to the bank tomorrow.
Next is the recurring deposits. It's a conversation between Dina and Rishi.
Hi Rishi, good morning.
Hi Dina, how are you?
I'm doing fine, but I have a favor to ask of you.
Sure, tell me what do you need?
As you know, I'm paid weekly wages. As soon as some money gets accumulated, I just spend it. Can you tell me a way by which I can save my money?
Sure Dina, you can put your money in a recurring deposit in a bank.
What is a recurring deposit?
A recurring deposit is one which is more suitable for people who do not have lump sum amount of savings but are ready to save small amounts every month. Normally, such deposits earn interest on the amount already deposited through monthly installments at the same rates as applicable for fixed deposits or term deposits. These are best if you wish to create a fund for your child's education or marriage or a daughter, buy a car without loans or save for the future. Under these types of deposits, the person has to usually deposit a fixed amount of money every month. Any default in payment within the month attracts a small penalty. However, some banks, besides offering a fixed installment recurring deposit, have also introduced a flexible or variable recurring deposit.
This seems very interesting. Can you tell me how I can make a recurring deposit?
Any person with a savings bank account can apply for making a recurring deposit by the following methods. Either by online portal of the bank if internet banking is available, or you can apply it in the nearest branch of the bank.
Is there any process that I have to follow?
Yes, Dina. In order to open a RD account offline, you have to go to the nearest SBI branch and fill up a recurring deposit opening form, which will be supplied from the bank, and supporting document like your savings account passbook, passport size color photograph, etc.
And what about the online method? How can I use it?
To open a recurring deposit account online, you need to open or have a SBI account. Also, your internet banking facility should be activated. I will help you with that. To use it, you have to follow the following steps. You will have to log in to onlinesbi.com, then click on personal banking link. Enter your login credentials. You will get a link called e-recurring deposit or ERD. First, you have to choose the savings account from which your amount will be deducted and will be deposited on your recurring deposit account. It will be affected if more than one savings account on SBI, otherwise it will be selected your savings account by default. Now you'll have to fill the amount which you have to deposit monthly and the tenure of deposit, meaning the number of days or month you want to continue your recurring deposit. Before clicking on the submit option, read the terms and conditions and then accept it. Such process you have opened an ERD. Now question is that from where the amount will be deducted for a recurring deposit. Answer is the savings account which you have opened in SBI. One thing you have to remember that you should have the amount monthly, which amount you have to put in your RD.
Thank you, Rishi. I will come to you tomorrow with my bank passbook. Please help me to register using the online method.
Sure, Dena. See you tomorrow.